Alright guys, what is going on? Back at you with another video with the O2 cr250. My last video I did a compression test. It was definitely on the lower end of compression, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a top end in it. That's my plan. So I'm going to get everything all apart here, and I should be able to get this cylinder off. I'm going to send it out, get the power valve all cleaned. They get you the right piston and ring, everything you need. So that's what I'm going to do. I never did this before, so it should be interesting, but I'm going to get to work. All right, seat is off, plastics are off. Next up, I'm going to get this tank off. That is my order of attack here. Once I get that off, you'll be able to see in there. Everything will start to make much more sense. All right, so I'm putting the bolts back so I don't lose them, so that should help. So tank is off. Next up is I got to take this off, but I might drain the coolant first because I am going to have to do that at some point. So this is the bolt here. Once I drain the coolant, basically just ripping everything off. Drain the coolant, I'll take the pipe off. Yeah, one step at a time. It's not super hard stuff, but it's fun getting the bike all apart. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try to get this off. Now, I was told it will be difficult. Okay, definitely doesn't want to just pop right off, so you're gonna have to investigate for sure and get that bad boy off. All right, it took a while to break this loose, but I got it. So let's get it out. Oh man, looks like I gotta get this radiator out of the way. Dang. Okay. Also, it started to rain a little. I got nervous, so I came in to the barn here. It's hot as balls in here, but here we go. Okay, why doesn't it wanna come out? I guess I have to take off that exhaust flange there. Okay, I got that exhaust part off there, and now she should slide right up. Oh, there's a gasket on that. There we go. Wow, that is it. Let me get my rag here. I don't want nothing falling in there, but that is my bike. This stuff here is nasty. I have to use maybe contact cleaner. I have to figure out what I can use on that. Let's get some of the heavy shit off. But yeah, there it is. There's the piston. Oh, you can see the oil in there. So I'm gonna stuff some rags in there, and I'll figure out how to get this piston all off the connecting rod. There's my rings. See a little bit of scoring. The lighting's probably not great because I'm in the barn, but I'll do a follow-up video. But yeah, so I got to clean that cylinder. Actually, I don't even need to clean it. I'm just going to send it to Millennium and they'll do everything. So yeah, till the next one. Thanks for watching.